Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up your live stream on OBS, of course on YouTube using OBS. Of course, first of all, you would like to go and open any browser you could be possibly using. Of course, it could be Opera, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or whatever you could be possibly using. Then go create a new tab, go to the URL and type youtube.com. Then hit the enter button. Of course, you should have a channel before if you want to start a stream. Of course, if you want to have a channel and if it's your first time, just go and click here at create, go live or upload video. And if you don't have a video or if you don't have a channel, they will ask you to create a channel first. Of course, you can even go live. As you can see here, you can request access to streaming. So once requested, it might take up to 24 hours to get access to streaming. Of course, that's if it's your first time. You can do that through OBS as well. Just go to your OBS, hit the settings button at the bottom, of course here right corner, or you can just go and click at the top right corner here, files, and click at settings. It will take you into the same thing. Here you would like to go and click at stream, then choose the server and look for YouTube. As you can see, here is it. Of course, if you don't find it here, you can just go and click at show all, then click at type U, and here click at this YouTube RTMPS, then click at connect account. Of course, here you would like to connect your account with your actual channel. Then for me, of course, I don't want to do that. So after like actually connecting your channel, so it will be the same as Twitch. So as you can see here, all we need to do, just go and click connect your account, and then click at start stream, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.